Shringavedpur, Lord Ram proceeded to the ashram of Rishi Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj Muni Basahi Prayaga. In Ramcharitmanas, Goswami Tulsidas mentions that Rishi Bharadwaj resided in Prayagraj. After hearing the glory of the Triveni Sangam from Rishi Bharadwaj, Lord Ram, Mata Sita and Lakshman took a holy dip in the Sangam and received the blessings of the three sacred rivers. According to a popular legend, it was at the banks of the Sangam that Mata Sita expressed her wish to Lord Ram to perform a prayer to Lord Mahadev and Goddess Parvati. In response, Lord Ram constructed a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati on the banks of the Yamuna, which is today known as Mankameshwar Temple. In Treta Yuga, Lord Ram himself, along with Mata Sita, worshipped Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati at this temple and received their blessings. A little further from this ancient temple of Mahadev, there is also a temple dedicated to Lord Hanuman, the incarnation of Mahadev's divine energy. This is a unique temple where Lord Hanuman is depicted in a reclining posture. According to popular legends, while excavating at this site, a divine idol of Lord Hanuman was discovered under the guidance of Baba Baghambari. As a result, the large Hanuman temple was established here. Astonished by this divine miracle, Baba Baghambari dedicated his life to the service of Lord Hanuman. Even today, the responsibility of maintaining this temple lies with the Baghambari Gaddi. The mention of Kaushambi can be found in the Puranas and various religious texts as a significant part of the Prayag region. Kaushambi was the capital of the ancient Indian Vats Mahajanpat. Gautam Buddha spent his 6th and 9th years of ascetic life here, where he also imparted several important teachings to his followers. Moving from the Buddhist tradition to Jainism, it is believed that the ancient Tirthankar Rishabdev attained knowledge in the Vats region. Additionally, the 6th Jain Tirthankar, Padma Prabhu, was born in Kaushambi to King Sridhar and Queen Sushima Devi of the Shwaku dynasty. Even the modern Emperor Ashok made Kaushambi his sub-capital for administrative purposes. As an indicator of that time, the Ashok pillar is still found in this region. The Prayag region, rich in religious diversity, is a unique place where Sikh gurus also visited to spread the light of knowledge. The Gurudwara Pakki Sangat Sahib, located in Ahiapur, Prayagraj, stands as a remarkable symbol of this. It is believed that Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji stayed here for 6 months during his travels, praying and meditating. Hence, this place is also referred to as a tapasthali. It wouldn't be wrong to say that the banks of the Triveni Sangam have an exceptional blend of teachings from gurus and saints, and the Gurudwara Pakki Sangat Sahib stands as a unique testament to this. Prayagraj, once briefly known as Allahabad or Allahabad, remains vibrant and alive to this day. This sacred city, rich in its unique history of religion and culture, continues to house various forms of Lord Vishnu, Shiva and Shakti that make this holy region truly unparalleled. After understanding the vast and rich history of Prayagraj, one can confidently say that Prayagraj is not just a city, but our glorious history that encapsulates divinity, diversity, and spirituality.